Hi, friends. Okay, so I have a couple of you who are still not sure what assignments you're missing and what you still need to do. So I'm going to show you real quick using one of my classes that I'm actually a student in. So if you go over to whatever class you're in, go to Miss Smith's class, and then once you're in there, you've got a couple options. One over here is what it's going to tell you due soon. And so you can click there to see what is coming up that's due very soon. Or you can go into classwork and view your work, and there's assigned, and it'll tell you in here, it'll have a list of assignments and when it's due. Here are the assignments if you've completed them and then I graded and returned it back to you. That list would be here. If you're missing any assignments, they would be here, and it'll also have what was the original due date. So use this as a way to help you know what are you still missing, what's assigned and going to be due soon. The other option you have is you can go into your classwork here, and it'll have the list of topics, and then it'll tell you what the due date is. And at the very bottom when you scroll, it'll say missing or the due date if it's an upcoming due date. So keep an eye on your schoolwork and make sure that you're turning things in. Even if it's late, that's okay. I can still grade it. So just try to get done what you can and turn it in when you can. All right. Let me know if you have questions. I'm still here.